Hello, my name is Kiran Kulkarni. I'm heading marketing, BTL marketing in Akshayakalpa. Okay, so we're into completely dairy products. In the sense, we have milk, mainly into the milk, and milk of byproducts like we have curd, buttermilk, ghee, butter, and non-dairy products like we have multiple honey, virgin coconut oil, banana, and varieties of vegetables. So currently, we have these many the products in Akshayakalpa. So now we started the Akshayakalpa in 2015 in Tiptu. So currently, supplying all our organic products across Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Chennai. And we have our own application. The name of Akshayakalpa itself is our own app distributions. Through that, we are delivering our products to across all the three cities. Apart from that, our products are available in all the retail stores of all the across Hyderabad and other cities. And our products are listed in other hyperlocal applications like Amazon, Blinkit, and the big baskets. So there also you can get our products. So we don't have our own store. Our dairy is in Tiptur, and in Hyderabad, our own farm in Shadnagar. So exposure is quite good because from last 3 years we are continuously participating in this Kids Expo and other dairy expos. So especially when it comes to the Kids Fair, we are getting the huge response from all the participants like kids and parents. So whoever come and visited our stall, for them we are giving our Akshayakalpa dairy products like buttermilk and yogurt as a complimentary. So we're also getting a very good response. So thanks to entire HITEX organizers.